Number 1, choose a programming language. The first step in starting to code is choosing a programming language. You can choose from popular languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, C++, or Ruby. Number 2, learn the basics. Once you have chosen a language, learn the basics of programming such as variables, data types, loops, and functions. You can find online courses, tutorials, and books to help you learn the basics. Number 3, get your hands dirty. Start writing code by creating small programs that build on what you have learned. This will help you get comfortable with the language and develop your problem-solving skills. Number 4, join online communities. Join online communities to get help, ask questions, and connect with other coders. Number 5, keep practicing. The key to becoming a good coder is practice. Keep practicing and working on projects to improve your skills. Number 6, take online courses. Consider taking online courses to learn new programming languages or concepts. Number 7, participate in hackathons. Participating in hackathons will allow you to work on real-world projects and learn from other coders. Number 8, find a mentor. Find a mentor who can guide you and help you with your coding journey. Remember, coding is a lifelong learning process, and the most important thing is to keep learning, practicing, and building